This is our model number 369 electronic voting machine using standard 8051 series of microcontroller. We have a 89C2051 or 89S51 or 89S52, whatever it is the same 8051 series of microcontroller. And then we have an LCD here. Then we have the associated power supply and plus a set of switches for the electronic voting machine. Since the 8051 group of microcontroller, by and large the smaller range, do not have any EEPROM, that is non-volatile memory, we have used a separate non-volatile memory here. And we will now try to operate this as to how it works, and we will first try to operate the button. Yes. Now please enter your vote. Now suppose the candidate number 1 is given the vote. So your vote is registered. Now these are the candidates 1, 2, 3, 2, 8. Well, however, we can have more number of candidates. There is a provision, but at the moment we have taken only 8. Now for the next voter, when he comes, he has to press that button again. This is the polling booth, and then the next voter comes, and suppose he gives a vote to candidate number 2. So the candidate number 2 gets the vote from the second voter. Now supposing there is another voter who comes, and for that the polling officer has to press this button, and then suppose again the number 2 gets the vote. Right. So the candidate number 2 got 2 votes and the candidate number 1 got 1 vote. Now supposing for the 5, 6, 7, 8 also we will try to operate. Now operate again for the polling officer. Yeah, and press now candidate number 7. Now candidate number 7 gets 1 vote. Now after the end of the operation, now supposing we would like to retrieve the information to count the votes. Now let's retrieve the information. For this, you operate this button and then the counting button. In the counting button, he finds candidate 1 is 1, candidate 2 is 2, 3, 4 have not got any votes, 5 has got 0, 6, 0, and 7 has got 1 vote, and 8 also has got 0 votes. So this is how the voting is recorded. Now for the next time use, now if you would like to erase all the data, again the polling officer does the same operation, put this, yes, and then the erase button. Now the data is erased, and it's back to again 0, 0, 0, 0 for all the candidates. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so also after a while for 5, 6, 7, and 8. Thank you.